Show your love and appreciation for the mom in your life for her big day.
Yes, Mother's Day is right around the corner, and Price Chopper is your one-stop shop, making it easy for you to do just that.
Yes, joining us now with ideas to celebrate Mother's Day is Bethany Frazier, dietitian with Price Chopper. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Welcome back to the Price Chopper kitchen,
Yeah.
everybody.
Yes, we're ready to cook up some really fun stuff for Mother's Day.
Oh man,
That's
I can't wait.
exciting. So you brought some surprising treats for Mother's Day, so tell us about them.
Well, we're all used to seeing flowers, and we're used to smelling flowers, but are used to tasting flowers.
Oh.
So we're gonna talk about edible flowers today, which was really fun. But before you go rushing to your local Price Chopper or to your neighbor's garden and start eating the flowers, let's talk about edible flowers. They need to make sure that they are flowers that are marked, used for eating.
Yes.
You'll likely find this in your local Price Chopper in products like teas or beverages. You can use these easily as replacements in marinades or in baking products or in a really fun cocktail, which is one of the things we're going to make.
I see that right
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So how common is it to incorporate flowers into your diet?
Oh, you can do, you'll see them in cocktails all the time. So really easy, fun ways just to spice up normal recipes.
Yeah.
So I think it's pretty common that you can use it a lot.
Well, tell us about these donuts here, because they're calling our names.
Yes.
Are they something that your average cook can handle?
Oh, definitely. Very easy. So these donuts are protein donuts.
Okay.
Ooh,
So they're
yes.
made with coconut flour and almond flour. They're made with 6 eggs and it makes 12. So I said they're protein donuts. You gotta get your protein from someplace.
Yes.
You're gonna use some cinnamon and some maple syrup. So they're just slightly sweet. Coconut oil, and then you cook them only for about 15 minutes, so they don't take very long to bake, which isn't easy. I think kids could make these for their moms. And the best part is the topping. You make a chocolate lavender ganache.
Oh.
So the topping is just cocoa powder.
There you
I know
go.
she's already
Yes.
done it in. Let us know. It's cocoa powder and maple syrup. And some
I'm
lavender.
sorry, I couldn't wait.
You know, I actually think this is a setup. They placed me next to Bethany because they knew I would help her cook.
Yes.
While Adriana's here to eat.
Always.
Someone's gonna do the hard job.
Right, exactly. So could you get us started
Sure.
with what are the steps we should take to start making these donuts?
So you use all of your dry ingredients. We're going to mix it all together to create our dry ingredients, but we're actually going to put our ganache on our donuts. I'm going to let you help me do
right,
that.
I
So I
can do
already
that.
made this batch of donuts. And what you'll do is I mixed up this ganache. We'll add in the lavender. Lavender is actually, it's good, something you can have every single day. It provides 25% of your needed iron.
I
So
think
something
I
that you wouldn't
taste it.
expect.
I feel like I taste the lavender.
I know, it's just a subtle, but it brings out that extra flavor. It's great for calming,
Yeah.
so really great for those stressed out moms. You can just scoop it right onto
All
there.
right.
It's okay if we get a little messy.
This is pretty easy. Oh, this
Yep.
is fun. I've
Yep.
always wanted to make donuts.
I know, and they're so easy. You can just put them into those silicone modes and you can bake them so they're really healthy too.
You know what I like about this? The extra
I know, it
ganache
just
is
goes
just going
straight
right
through.
back into.
Oh.
Yes.
And then you can add whatever type toppings that you like. So I added coconut to these or a little bit of sprinkles. If you've
Yeah.
got kids, they can add whatever they want. You can add berries to it.
I definitely
Really easy.
taste the coconut. This is delicious,
Really
guys.
rich.
So
I
could a
love it.
cocktail like this paired with the donuts?
Absolutely.
All right.
These
What is
ones,
this?
So we're going to make, this is a chamomile strawberry paloma.
All right.
Which typically you would add
Oh,
tequila to.
yeah.
This one's virgin, but you can make it however you want to add it
Hey,
at
we
your
like
house.
virgin drinks here.
Chamomile is really calming as well. We usually use it for going to sleep or those types of things, but it's also good for your immune system.
Ah.
So flowers aren't just for adding extra flavor or looking at, as we already talked about, but it's actually provides some extra nutrition too.
Nice. All right. So how do we make this?
So you're gonna add this is grapefruit juice.
All right. See,
Yep, reach
you
on
already
in.
know. You already know. All right.
So I added some strawberries in there and some ice. It's grapefruit juice.
Wow.
And then you can add, I made this chamomile simple syrup. So use this. We don't want to go too crazy on it.
You know, I was about to pour it all in. Okay,
This
so
is yummy.
Yeah, fill it all the way to the top. So this is just honey and water, and then we brewed the tea right into that, the chamomile tea right into that.
all right.
And then you top it with just a little bit of sparkling water,
Just a little dash.
just a little bit, and then you can serve it with some strawberries and some mint,
There we go.
Definitely tastes.
and you can mix it all together.
Oh, nice.
Very
All
easy
right.
and delicious, great for a Mother's Day treat.
This is pretty and delicious.
It's very pretty.
Paired with a
All
donut, then you're good to go.
So I think we should maybe all toast to
You need toast,
Mother's
yep.
Day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Happy Mother's Day,
Yes,
everybody.
Bethany, thank you for joining us
you.
once again.
While I
You
stuff my
hit it
face.
out the park. That's right. But everyone, you can learn more about
Totally
these
right.
healthy meal options and more gift ideas for Mother's Day. Just visit mypricechopper.com.